Everyone can notice how this person feels for you, even if they try and conceal it. Everyone can feel the undercurrent of their emotions for you. It's almost as if you and this person create a Neptunian bubble and haze whenever you are both around each other. The glances, the stares, the subtle, looks or whatever. It's felt. You both create this synergy that you feel that you are concealing, or this person feels like they are definitely concealing, but it is felt. And unfortunately, for some of you, there is a lot of judgment. Now, some people may not be aware that you two are together. For others of you, people are aware that you two are together. Some of you have come out, some of you have introduced this individual to their mother, or this person has introduced their mother to you, right? And some people are like, nah, they can't be together. Are they? But some people, even though they haven't physically seen you either holding hands or embracing or something of that sort, they pick up on the energy, and they are aware that there's something underlying between the two of you. They definitely feel the attraction that you have for this person, or that this person has for you. People do see you in the highlight, whether or not they want to admit it. They do actually see you in the highlight. They see you as regal, they see you as sophisticated, but they want to unsee it. They feel like you bring a lot of light into this person's life, or they sense that whenever you're not around, they notice a shift in energy with this individual, and they've noticed that when you are around, this person acts in a certain way, because you bring in a lot of light to this person's life. And I feel like for some of you, this person brings in a lot of light to your life. You both get very excited, very giddy, very childlike. There may be fifth house connections, or there could be like a sun connection that you share with this person in Sanistry. Like maybe this person's sun is conjuncting your Venus, or your Venus is sextiling their sun, or your sun's conjuncting their ascendant, or there's something here whereby you both make each other feel alive whenever you are around each other. And then when either of you are not around one another, people notice the dip in energy. Yes, they could be still, high vibrational, playful, jovial, etc., and yourself too, but it is felt. And normally, what's giving things away is that this individual is normally quite authoritarian, very detached, very left-brained, but whenever you are around, they soften. And this person has tried to conceal, and I feel also you've tried to conceal the emotions, the passion, the excitement, but it's felt. And some people feel like it's wrong, because this could be a workplace situation. I feel like as much as you and this person try to control the dynamics, the electricity of the connection is felt. And people feel like this connection is so unorthodox, because I feel like you and this person could be different. You could be of different cultural backgrounds, or there's a lot of difference between the two of you, and that's what attracts both of you to each other, because you both see each other as unique, as different, as being the odd one out in a sense. Maybe when you were both younger, you were the outsiders, and you see a lot of yourself within each other. There's a lot of admiration and respect, and it's upsetting a lot of people. A lot of people feel like you both create some type of hysteria, like there's a lot of attention on you both because of your differences. And some people, they want this type of attention for themselves. They want to seem interesting, and everyone is interesting, right? But they want to be seen as main character vibes. You and this person give off main character vibes individually and collectively. And some people just give up. Like some people know that whatever scenario or dynamic that they are in, it's not going to be the same vibe. So some people, they want to connect, or they want to be in a connection like yours, because it does give off a sense of excitement and intrigue. And that's the thing, a lot of people feel like, are they, aren't they, but are they, aren't they? And you and this person, you're both not confessing anything to anyone. For some of you, a lot of people know that you are together. You could be posting pictures online of going out to get a coffee, going for a walk, taking your dogs for a walk. There's something of that sort, but you're both not confessing that you are together. And it's leaving some people heartbroken. Why is that? I feel like it could be leaving people heartbroken because they see the love that you both exude. And it could be frustrating a lot of people because they could feel like, just admit it already. Are you together or aren't you together? There's a lot of resentment. There's a lot of, unrest about if you're together or not for some people. And again, some people feel like it's wrong because you could work with this individual and how you're perceived in this actual connection as different. This strong Aquarian energy, you or this person could be in Aquarius, or there could be an Aquarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith, or you can have a Uranus and Mars connection, or Uranus and Venus connection. There's a Neptune connection here, whereby your connection could feel very ethereal, very magical, almost as if you're in your own bubble, in your own world. Even if you try and conceal it, like I mentioned at the beginning, it is felt. It is felt. Look at this card. It looks like he's in a disco, but it's giving off Neptune energies. And people are like, yeah, it's fake. I bet he's going to cheat on her. I bet she's going to cheat on him, or I bet she's going to cheat on her, or, whatever. They want to project a lot of negativity onto the situation, but they are unsure as to whether or not you are together or not. And again, you or this person could have, say, Venus conjuncting each other's, well, someone's Venus is conjuncting someone's moon here, because it's the Chariot card. Chariot card rules Cancer. Cancer is ruled by the moon. So you can pick up on your person's emotions. You can feel what they would like, what they would love, what they will value. And your person can be the idolization of, your person can move you through their displays of love, and how they love you, how they treat you. Some of you can have like a Mars contact. Someone's Mars is in conjunction with someone's ascendant or someone's Uranus, which makes the physical aspect of the connection very powerful. There's a lot of physical attraction. The way that you both look at each other, even if you're covered up, it's like, we need to get a room. People can sense it, even if you try and hide it. And some people can become jealous of this because they feel like there's a lack of passion in their own love life. So they may fixate on your connection because they feel like, I don't know what they feel like, to be honest, because there's a jealousy. It's a jealousy, but they will give up, or they do feel like they have to give up because their fixation on your love life is not going to make their love life any better. But some people are intrigued if you are together, and they, there's a lot of energy on your relationship, and Spirit is saying, like, if you are in this relationship, which some of you are, you have to protect it. I wouldn't necessarily talk about your relationship to people, because there's a lot of fixation and there is a lot of jealousy. There's a lot of judgment as well. So I would keep quiet about this connection. Let people guess, and just keep your connection private, because what people don't know, they can't spoil. Some people do know about your relationship, still don't speak on it. People view your connection as something that they can't stop thinking about. They feel like, it's like they're counting down the days for the connection to end. They may feel like the connection started off on 40 ground, it's not stable. Maybe they feel like you're making more money than the other person, or the other person's making more money than you. This is not going to be long lasting. This person won't commit to you. This person won't invest in you. This person won't take you seriously, or you will not take this person seriously. Again, there's a lot of people that are obsessed with this relationship. Again, some people are not sure if you're together, but some people are obsessed with hoping that you're not together, but they can feel the intensity. People feel like you and this person have a very strong pull on each other. They haven't seen you or this person in this energy before. And for some of you, some people are quite territorial over you or this other person. They may not want you both to be together because in their view, it will be a lack in their own life. For some of you, some people feel like you and your person are very protective over each other. You're not going to let the situation go. They have noticed a change within yourself or your person that, you know, maybe in the past you or your person was quite held back and they didn't think that you or your person will get into a relationship so soon or like this before. So they feel like a freeness within you or your person. And they feel like it's because of their connection with you or it's because of your connection with this individual. Maybe this person was going through a depression. Maybe you are going through a depression. And they do feel that you have brought healing into each other's lives. They also feel like, yeah, in the past, you and this person or this person may have been quite detached, cold, not wanting a relationship, but they're seeing a more softer side to you or your person right now. And there's an energy of them still feeling like the relationship is not built on stable ground, and there could be some type of prejudice around this connection, because there is an energy of people not wanting this connection to work. And some family members may be upset about your choice of partner or about this person's choice in regards to connecting and marrying you. You could come from different economic backgrounds, and this is a cause of concern for a lot of people. See, a lot of people are concerned about your connection. You could come from different cultural backgrounds as well, and there's a lot of prejudice around that. But however, people feel the intensity even if you try and downplay it, and I feel like you both do. And yeah, people feel like you are a smoldering hot couple, but at the same time, it's like, for some of you, why can't I have that? For others of you, I don't feel like they should be in that. For others of you, I don't want to see that. I'm hearing a lot of different things. You or this person could be of the signs Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, Virgo, Leo, Aquarius, Aries, Gemini, Libra, Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, Mars, Venus, North, South Node, or Lilith. I'll say, as Spirit is mirroring, keep this connection private. Even if people do know, don't say yes or don't say no. Just either change the subject or just don't mention it. If they try and mention it, just be classy about it and just don't give anyone anything to feed off. You know, act oblivious, denial knowledge. I know that sounds pretty harsh because maybe your person, depending on how they are emotionally, they may feel like, why are you not claiming me in public? But this is not about claiming you or your person in public. This is about protecting your relationship, because you may have some people that are happy about this connection, but the people that do know or they suspect it right now in this reading